Now I want to create my login page for user. Go to layout and click on insert div tag and start type here. Next, go to forms and click on form and go to comment and insert table. Rows is 2 and columns is 2 and click OK. Type username here and go to forms and drag the text field into the table besides the username and edit the properties for this text field. Go to properties, click on the text field and rename it according to the name that you use in the register table. Rename the text field into username. And next is for password. Go to forms and drag the text field and edit the properties for this text field. Rename the text field to password and choose the radio button for this password. Next, you will need a button. Go to forms, click on button, edit the properties for this button, and rename the value to login. Action is submit form. And now create the second button. Edit the properties for the second button. Rename the value to reset. And action is reset form. Next, provide a link for user to register if they don't have any account yet. Go to link and link it to register.asp. And next, go to server behaviors. Click on user authentication and choose login user. Validate using connection. Table is from register. Username column is from username. Password column is from password. If login succeeds, I will direct my user to view.asp, and if login fails, I will direct the user to user fail.asp and restore access based on username and password and click OK. And save your file. Go to file, click on save and rename the file to login.asp and click save. And now you can test your page, but before that, create the view ASP and user fail.asp.